Okay, we're now live on YouTube. On my screen, I see a paperwork ready on a Maximo Balcenis. Uh, is that yours, Mr. Memory?
Who's that, sir?
Maximo Balcenis?
No, Judge.
Clinic?
I have Aquino and Quintola Adebayo, and I need to speak
Okay,
with the ADA on that, please.
okay. Mr. Sims, can you go into breakout room 6? And Debbie, can you put Miss Memory in breakout room 6?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Judge, I couldn't hear you. So,
Can you put Miss Memory in breakout room 6?
yes.
Okay, thank you.
No, sure.
And Mr. Sims, you know how to get back to breakout room 6? Okay.
Are you moving it?
No, that's you're moving, I give you access to control the screen so you can
Oh.
take it.
Okay, so I can type for you as well?
Yeah, then you just gotta put it on the blinks.
I'm sorry. Good morning, Attorney Siguror. Do you have an offer in your case?
Good morning, Deborah. I do not.
Okay, I'll put you in breakout room 6 with the ADA.
All right, thank you so much.
Attorney,
You're welcome. Attorney Ramos, we're waiting on the ADA.
But I'm ready on my side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Judge, that's going to be on the 3rd page, John Urbano.
Okay,
It's an MTR.
okay, yeah, to defer. Mr. Memory, what's
Yes,
happening?
Your Honor. Judge, may I be put back into the breakout room with my client, please?
Okay. Debbie, can you do that as when possible?
Yes,
Thank
Judge,
you
I
very
just-
much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
In the meantime, can I go ahead and take this Urbano plea, or does, no, Mr. Sims is still conferring with Figueroa.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good morning, Attorney Hicks. Do you have an offer in your case?
Good morning. I don't see one yet. I know they were reaching out to find the complaining witness, so that was the last update I had on this. I think I need to confer with the state.
Okay, breakout.
Thanks.
I have a plea with the Sheriff's Trent, but that's not in any courtroom anymore, but everything.
Good morning, Attorney Warren Gary.
Good morning.
Do you have an offer in your case?
I do not.
Okay, I'm put you in breakout room 6 with the ADA.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, I am ready to plea on Maximo Barcenes.
Yes, we just have the district attorney conferring with some other attorneys now. As soon as he finishes conferring, we'll start doing pleas.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Judge.
On the tab that.
Attorney Hicks, do you have an offer now?
Yeah, looks like my client's case is going to be dismissed, both of them.
Okay. I'm
Both
sorry,
cases? Page 3, Judge, at the bottom, the add-on.
Rodriguez,
Yes, Miss Summers Rodriguez.
they'll be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then you can be excused.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great one.
Thank you. And, okay, we'll have to remind Mr. Sims to get those dismissals to us.
Attorney Settle, are you ready on the plea?
Yes, we are. And Deborah, it's going to be pleading on the criminal mischief and TICing the criminal trespass. We filled out both sets of paperwork because my voucher is attached to the criminal trespass, which is being dismissed. Is that okay? You can still grab my voucher off the one that's dismissed.
No, actually, she'll send you a new one and you'll have to resend it to us.
Oh, okay. Or I can just go ahead and e-file it if you want. Is that easier?
You'll have to ask Debbie. That's beyond my pay grade. Sorry.
Okay.
I can send you another voucher. One moment. Attorney Gary Warren?
Yes, two things. Can I speak to my client and then we'll need to send it back. We need to get Padilla letter stuff done.
Okay, and
Okay,
who's this again? Who's client?
Page 2 at the bottom, Judge.
Page 2 at the bottom. That's Mota Laguna
Yes, Judge.
sent back, but you still want to talk to him, right?
Yes, I do. Just briefly. I won't take up
Okay.
too much of the time.
All right, we got the breakout rooms full, so if you don't mind waiting a little bit, we'll let you talk to him, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind waiting, Judge. Thank you.
Okay.
Breakout room 1, Attorney Warren.
Okay. Do we have Mr. Sims? We have Mr. Sims out of the breakout room. Okay, we're ready to take a plea on whoever that is. Can you please mute
On
yourself?
Urbano,
Urbano, John Urbano. Okay, Mr. Urbano, can someone?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Hold on. Oh no. Hold on. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name John Urbano?
Yes.
Are you the same John Urbano when this cause number CC 716409 is currently on deferred adjudication for driving while intoxicated? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have on my screen right now a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video. Basically, and you signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes.
And is that okay with you, Ramos?
Yes, Judge.
Looking now on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney has signed it. Basically, when when you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty of this case, if I revoke your probation and adjudicate you guilty, you understand that you will have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking. Okay, 1 minute, please. Okay, not sure why it's not self-populating. Okay, the reason we are here today, sir, is because there's been a motion to revoke your probation and to adjudicate you guilty filed in your case that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. Can I ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violation?
Violation of condition number 21, on or about the 2nd day of June 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, John Anthony Urbano, did then and there fail to register for/attend an alcohol evaluation with the approved agency in violation of condition number 21.
And to that allegation, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
I'm sorry, that broke up. How do you plead?
True, sir.
Okay, thank you. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, if someone promised you something in order to get you to do this,
No, Your Honor.
you're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, that plea bargain agreement would be to revoke in JSAT 180 days credit in the Bexar County Jail.
I'm sorry, Mr. Sims. Mr. Sims, can you do that again? You broke up. There's something wrong with our audio here. Can you do it one more time?
Yes, Your Honor. That agreement is to revoke probation and JSAT 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Judgment satisfied?
Okay. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Ramos?
Yes, Judge.
You agree to this, Mr. Urbano?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Urbano, the court having heard you plead to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. I filed the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. I'm going to type into here, defendant indigent. That may or may not help him in the future if he tries to reinstate his license with DPS. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client?
He's been sentenced to a state jail facility, so this should be the only thing left behind.
So is this the thing that was keeping him from going to state jail?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so if this was the case keeping you from being transferred, that will no longer happen. You should be transferred to state jail now. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. And Mr. Ramos, what is your fee on this?
I went ahead and billed on the new misdemeanor cases, so I'm not charging a bill on that.
Okay, then I'm going to just put in 0-0 here. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you. Take care.
All right. Thank you, sir.
You can be dismissed, Mr. Ramos. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Attorney Memori, do you need to make an announcement?
Yes, please.
Okay, Mr. Memori. What's happening?
Yes, Judge. Judge, I've spoken with Mr. Adebayo. He is a lawful permanent resident, and there's some other issues that I've discussed with him, and I don't feel comfortable moving forward with a plea. Given the circumstances in today's environment, I've explained to him the possible consequences, and I don't think he has a understanding of that, of the issue. So I need to get a Padilla.
No agreement sent back to the court. We're not rescinding that. Right?
Sorry, Judge, you broke up.
Okay, they've got some audio problem going on. No agreement sent back to the court or reset.
Judge, on this, we do have a tacit agreement, but given Mr. Adebayo's LPR status, I want to get a Padilla letter in order to make sure he's fully informed and that I'm informed. And he's been remanded without bond by Judge Roman.
Okay, so I'm just going to put no agreement sent back. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go talk to him, please.
Attorney.
Okay, Mr. Memori, you're asking if you want to go back and talk to him?
Yes.
Okay, can you put Memori back in with his class?
He needs to move himself back to breakout room 2, please.
Can you
Okay.
move yourself back to breakout room 2? Okay.
Yes.
Now, what do I got going next?
Judge, I believe Attorney Sigorora has an announcement.
Okay. Attorney Figueroa, on which client? Please?
Eric Justin Rice, Judge.
Looking for
Page
hold
3,
on.
Judge.
Page 3. Okay, what about Mr. Rice?
There hasn't been any contact with CW, Your Honor. We're asking for a reset.
Okay. Reset. So then,
Yes, I'll reset it to next Friday. Is that okay?
Yes, Deborah, thank you so much.
Okay, thank
Yes.
thank you.
May I be excused, Judge?
Pardon me?
May I be excused?
Thank you. Be excused.
And Deborah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Do I need to,
I can
do I
hear you.
need,
Or
Okay,
we
you.
have a messed up. Okay.
do I need to do that new voucher before we can do the plea?
No, not before the plea, but yeah, I think
Oh,
you're gonna
okay.
have to e-file it because I'm having problems with Adobe right now.
That's fine. I'll
They
just
keep
e-file it.
spinning.
Okay, then
Okay.
then I'm ready.
Okay, Judge, next is Maximo Barcenas.
Timo Martinez. Looking for my paper docket. Come on, Canelo. Page 1. He's got 2 cases. Is he going to plead on both cases, or is one being TIC?
I believe that the trespass is being TIC'd and we're pleading on the evading. Mr.
Okay.
Sims can correct me if I'm wrong.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Barcenas, can you raise your right hand for me? Mr. Barcenas, can you raise your right hand for me? How about your other right hand?
Oh, no, yes, sir.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Go ahead and put your hands down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen? Do you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is your name Maximo Barcenas?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Maximo Barcenas with this cause number 2025 CC 015358, who's charged with the offense of evading arrest? Is that you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, this case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Okay.
Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You have signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney? Sir, did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, no idea.
I'm sorry, Mr. Martinez. I can't take this plea unless you tell me that you went over this document with your attorney. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
I did. Attorney, I did.
Okay. And did your attorney explain this document to you?
They did.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this paper. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow it, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of evading arrest, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Did you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No guilty. No guilty.
How
No
about
guilty.
no contest?
No good. No guilty. No guilty.
Who's his attorney here?
It's me, Your Honor. He's a little hard of hearing. But we did go over the document and we did
Okay, well, I need
discuss-
to hear the plea from him, I'm not hearing no contest. I'm hearing not guilty. So let me try this one more time because I can't take this plea if he says not guilty. We need to set up a
Understood, Your
trial.
Honor.
How do you plead, sir?
Yes.
Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No guilty.
Mr. Kraus, can we go back, send you back to a breakout room with him and have you talk to him about this some more?
Sure. Yeah, Your Honor, maybe it might be best to send this back to the home court because of his hearing issues.
Okay.
I haven't been able to talk to him very easily in jail or in the breakout rooms. If I could speak to him in person, somewhere that's not
Okay.
loud. I think
I'm
that
going to
might be
put no
better.
agreements sent back. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Deputies, we're finished with him.
Okay.
Deborah, is there any way we could get a very short reset for him? We're ready to plea. It's just kind of more of an audio issue than anything else.
Okay, you want a Wednesday,
You wanna
next
go-
Wednesday?
Yeah.
You do have a plea though, right?
Yeah, we're ready on the plea. It's just he has a hearing issue, so I'm speaking.
Well, you may need to do that in an open courtroom unless we have better audio the next time.
Yeah, that would be my request. Can we send back to the home court and call him so that we can deal with those sorts of issues in court?
Okay, I'll send it back to the home court. You'll need to get in contact with them to set you up.
Okay,
County
all right,
Court
that's
11.
fine. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
may I be excused, Your Honor?
You can be excused, Mr. Kraus. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, who am I? What am I doing next?
Pete Garza, Joe. I'm sorry, Judge.
Okay, Pete Garza, he's got two cases. Is he pleading to both cases as settle, or is one being TIC?
The criminal trespass is being TIC, Judge. That ends in 28.
The one that ends in 20. Okay, I got them on 2 pages. That's my problem.
Elizabeth, did you get a
48
discovery
cases
acknowledgement?
being TIC, and then he's pleading on the 39.
I'm sorry,
cases.
Jordan.
Did you get a discovery acknowledgement?
Not sure. I mean, I know I didn't sign one yet. If you sent it, I'll sign it.
I'll send one right now.
Okay, I don't think I got one.
Can we go ahead with this plea or not?
Yeah, I think so, Judge.
Okay. All right. So I'm pulling up Mr. Garza's paperwork, and the one I'm going to take the plea on is on 39, correct?
Correct.
That is a criminal mischief. And then the other one will be TIC.
Correct.
Okay. All right. I have it up. Mr. Garza.
Yes.
Right hand for me. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Thank you. You go ahead and put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your name Pete Garza?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Pete Garza who in this cause number 2025 CC 014739, who's charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at on my screen at a document that's titled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you signed it and your lawyer signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it.
Yes, Your
Did
Honor.
you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your lawyer signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. You understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
I entered it well. I like the plea bargain.
Okay, is that a yes? Doing this freely and voluntarily, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that right? Okay.
Yes, Your
Is there
Honor.
a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain?
No
That plea
contest.
bargain is for time served, a $0 fine, court costs, 31 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the state will also take into consideration one cause number, that cause being 2025 CC 011428.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain to settle?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Garza?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Garza, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 31 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money, and current judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration, will be cause number 2025 CC 011428. That means that case will be dismissed and returned to your plea in this case. Do you know if these are the only cases holding your client, Ms. Settle?
Yes, that's my understanding, Judge.
If these are the only cases holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay?
Okay.
Good
All
luck
right,
to you,
okay.
sir. Ms. Settle, go ahead and send me that voucher and I'll sign it. I'll sign it for you, okay?
I'm happy with that. Thanks.
Uh,
God bless.
Okay, take care.
Okay.
Thanks. Miss.
So I e-file that, right? Right, Deborah? I e-file
Yes,
the voucher?
please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Will
Thank
do.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Good luck,
All right.
sir.
Good luck.
Ms.
Thanks. God
Settle,
bless.
on the voucher, please don't forget to attach your appointment order.
Yes, I will do so.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so what do we got next?
I don't know who this person is in the waiting area.
Okay.
Anybody recognize him?
No, let's just bring him in and find out. Okay, Ms. Farr, we don't seem to recognize you. You here for a client?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Mr. Terry Rogers.
I'm sorry. For who?
Terry Rogers?
Client or an attorney?
It's Brett Carr here for Terry Rogers. He's a client. I think he was set for a bond hearing in auxiliary court this
Okay,
morning.
you're way early for a bond hearing. I'm sorry. We're still in the
That's
middle.
okay.
Please, if you want to come back in about 30 minutes and try then, you can. Okay?
Sounds good. Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you. All right. So then, do we have anything else that's ready? Not quite yet. I have a motion to dismiss on my screen. On Veronica Rodriguez. Okay, those are the ones that were going to be dismissed. Okay, I think I've signed Mr. Sims. I think you sent me 3 dismissals on Veronica.
It should be 2 for Veronica, and that last one should be the TIC for the previous plea.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
I've signed all 3 dismissals, I think. All right. Cassie, can you make double sure that I didn't screw that up? Because if anyone
Yes.
can do that, it's me.
I'm checking, Judge. I just received them, so I'm just signing them through.
Okay. All right. And that other P Carson paperwork on a plea, that was TIC, someone.
That was, I sent the discovery acknowledgement after the offer because the home court ADAs didn't send a discovery acknowledgement on it.
Okay, but this is the plea paperwork on the case that was TIC, I think.
Oh, did I put the
So-
wrong number on it?
No. You didn't do anything wrong. There were two sets of paperwork that were created. And I
Gotcha.
believe that,
Let me know if I need to fix anything.
48, yeah, I just need to trash that. Okay. We're good. Okay, so we're just waiting on other people to get ready on stuff.
Judge, that attorney who logged in earlier, her client's on the bond docket. It's number 14.
Okay.
ADA Sims, do you have an offer on Amber Rash?
Yes, that's either,
Okay.
well, actually I don't. I had emailed, it's actually in my court, and I'd emailed Barron's on whether his client would prefer a JSAT or deferred, and he never got back to me. So if Bob comes in, I can confer with him really quickly to get an offer on that.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Judge, I've tried to get in contact with Barron's. How long do you want me to wait before I can reappoint?
Oh, let's wait till the end of this docket. Well, I want Mr. Sims, I want to finish this docket as quickly as possible so Mr. Sims can go to his training. So,
Mr.
we're still
Sims,
in the middle of this thing, aren't we? Pretty much. Let's
Yes,
give him a little
Judge.
bit more. Let's give him a little bit more time.
Mr.
Okay.
Sims, can you send me or chat me the terms in case he wants to defer it on his client or they
Okay.
decide to take it. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Did we ever hear from a Mr. Folks on Jesse Martinez?
I called his office and his assistant said he should be logging in.
Okay. We have Mr. Adams and Mr. Merrick. Mr. Burns has Mr. Rash. And then what about Mr. Adams also has Mr. Reed? So actually, I'm sorry, I wouldn't have worked. If Barrett doesn't show up within 10 minutes, then report someone, okay?
Okay, Judge, thank you.
Okay, I'm signing that discovery acknowledgement from Ms. Settles right now. Thanks. Okay, Maria is here. Hi, Maria. Or not. She's coming up, though.
Oh, I muted myself instead of unmuted. I said, good morning, Judge. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Can we go over the docket real fast?
Yes,
All right, I have on my paper docket for the bond docket, I have listed as number 1, Jose Aguayo. Is that what you have?
correct.
Okay, not handled, number 1. Number 2,
Number 2 should be there.
number 3,
Number 3 should be there.
number 4 on bond,
Correct.
number 5,
He bonded out.
bond, 6,
6 and 7 should be there.
8 refused, number 9 not handled, number 10 refused, 11,
Should be there.
12,
12 and 14 should be there. Number 13 is not handled.
and 15 on bond, correct?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just waiting on a couple pleas to get done.
Okay. Now
Oh,
I'm gonna.
Okay, Mr. Burns did make it in. Great. Okay. So. Okay, so we have Burns here. We have Adams here. If Mr. Fox does not come in by the end of the plea docket, we're gonna reset those, okay? Debbie?
Okay, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Fox is here. Oh, Fox. I'm not sure how you pronounce his name. I'll have to hear that. Okay, Mr. Folks, or was it Falks? I'm sorry, not Falks.
Morning,
Do
Judge.
you
How
have,
are you?
good morning. Do you have an offer in your case?
This was supposed to be a judge from a felony plea that I did in Judge Mary's court. The ADA already dismissed the felonies, but I don't know if it doesn't seem that they've tendered that dismissal on this case yet.
Well, there's 3 cases on your client. So all 3 are being dismissed, or what's
Yes, Your Honor.
Justin, I have notes from August from one of the felony ADAs saying that it was going to be a JSAT on one and TIC in the other 2. But that is back from August, so I'm not sure if something else has changed.
Yeah. Since then, when we spoke and we got the case resolved, I think it was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, all of the misdemeanors were going to be TIC.
Okay. I would follow up with County Court 5, that's Story and Delaney, and see if they have notes about that. Because for me, Odyssey is only showing the JSAT and TIC the others. But again,
Okay.
it is back from August. So
Okay. Yeah, I'll get with the ADAs I was speaking to in Mary's court, and I'll get this resolved by Monday, Judge.
Okay, then we're just gonna send this back, no agreement, and have you take care of it on the.
Attorney Fox, do you want to speak with your client? He is here. I could put you in a breakout room.
Sure. Thank you, Deborah.
Okay, thank you.
But I went put it here, sent back, no agreement. So I'm assuming Mr. Adams is conferring with his other clients, since I already have paperwork on my screen for one of his clients. Mr. Burns is still conferring with his client, so that's the 2 cases we have left.
Judge Attorney Adams does have two clients.
Four.
Okay. They're almost done.
And what about Mr. Barron's? Just seemed to take a long time with this client. Is everything okay in there?
Yes, Judge, I can hear him from right here.
Okay.
Attorney done with it? All right.
Okay. Mr. Adams?
Hi, could I speak briefly with the state?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
And you going to breakout room 6? Do you know how to put yourself there? Oh, Debbie, do you need to put them in 6?
Yes, room 6, please.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Adams.
Okay, I need to meet with my other client.
Okay.
But it looks like is he here to take a plea right now?
Well, you can meet with the other client, or we can take the plea, whatever you want to do. You tell me.
Yeah, I'll meet with the other client.
Okay. Do you know how to put yourself back? Debbie, can you put him back in that breakout room with his client?
Yes, Judge, I just did.
Okay.
Judge, I'm sending over the discovery acknowledgement for Charles Merrick.
Okay. I'll be on the lookout for it.
Judge Attorney Barron's is done.
Okay. So maybe we can take this plea while Mr. Adams is working on the other one, except I don't see Mr. Burns' paperwork on my screen. So it should be Amber Rath. I'm looking for paperwork for Amber Rath.
Yes, it should be done. And I was just going to.
I don't see it on my screen, Bob. Can you make sure that she signed it?
Yeah, I saw her click to sign and I saw it say you're all set.
Judge, I'm gonna locate it.
Okay, because it's not on my screen.
Bob,
Jordan,
are we doing a JSAT on that?
Yeah, Jordan, no, I was just going to chat you. No, we're going to do the deferred offer. Thank you.
Gotcha.
Okay, I see Rash now. I'm sorry.
Got it? Okay, great.
Yeah, got it. Okay, Miss Rash.
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down.
And Judge, if I may, before we start, I accidentally have a typo in there where I put her name instead of Amber Nicole Rash. It says Amber Noxious Rash. That was just a
Was that a Freudian slip?
So that was a, what do you call it? Automated spelling
Cassie,
correction.
can you correct the middle name on that, Cassie?
Yes, Judge, I can fix that. No worries.
Fat fingers.
All right, Ms. Rass, I swore you in, and I'm sharing my screen with you. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Amber Rash?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Amber Rash with this cause number 2024 CC 7413?
Yes, sir.
Hold on a minute. Are you the same person who's charged in this cause number with the offensive evasion and arrest and detention? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case you can be punished.
Class A,
anywhere.
Judge.
Okay. If we could just have everyone else mute, please. This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment can be?
No, Judge, I want Your Honor. Your Honor, this is a Class A offense.
I'm sorry. It is a Class A. I'm sorry. It's a Class A, and it's possible you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Correct.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Oh, you're a citizen of the United States.
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of evading arrest or detention, how do you plead?
No
Guilty?
contest.
Let me finish, ma'am, please.
I'm sorry.
How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no contest.
No contest. Okay. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, let's see. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement, that's your gap for you. Besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, that plea bargain agreement is for 6 months deferred adjudication, a $100 fine, court costs, and 12 community service hours.
All right. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Behrens? Bob, is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Yes, sorry, I was on mute.
And do you agree to this plea bargain, Ms. Rash?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rash, deferred can be a great deal, it can be a bad deal. The great part about the deal is if you successfully complete this, you can truthfully say you were never convicted of the crime. The bad part about the deal is if you screw up and you get violated, you can do the full 1 year in jail to get the full $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You still want to do this?
Yes, sir.
Then the court, ma'am, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer or postpone any adjudication of this matter for 6 months. Place you on probation for 6 months. I assess
sir.
$100 fine plus court costs.
Okay.
Make it a condition of your probation, or you're deferred, that you do 12 hours of community service. Alex Valverde, please give the minimum supervisory fee on this. Is there anything else I need to do on this? I don't think. Is this the only case? Only client, Bob?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so that you should be released sometime today, but before that, you got to talk to the probation officer. Okay, so tell the deputy you got to talk to the probation officer. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
All right.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Bob, you can be excused. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
What breakout room?
Yeah, I need to talk to Grace.
Okay.
One, Valverde.
Okay. And I sent the paperwork already if the deputies want to pull it up. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so then is Mr. Adams still?
Yes, Judge. I went in there and told him we're just waiting on him.
Close the door. And do it in there, please. Hey, sit over here, guy.
We're not Mr. Judge.
Oh,
you look at the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, might have two. That's right here. No, got over here. I want chicken tenders. I wear my bed. I ain't ready to know women. I ain't no women since pussy was free. Trinity.
Okay. Can you go in there and ask Mr. Adams how much longer it's going to be? Because if it's going to be a longer time, let's call in the bond lawyer and start doing the bonds.
Okay, Judge. I just text Elizabeth Russell to log in.
Okay.
I'll go back in there with Attorney. Judge, they're doing the paperwork now.
Okay. Mr. Sims, I apologize. It was my intent to try and get you out of here early, but life is what happens when you're making plans.
Yeah, no
So-
worries. I believe that training's primarily for the new hires. It's a onboarding training. So
Okay.
I might stick my head in there, but not sure how much I'll be learning.
Okay. Mr. Adams, what's going on with you?
My client is just finishing the form. It should be finished right about now.
Okay, can we do the other client that you have ready, Mr. Ree?
Yes.
Can we get Mr. Ree? And I'm understanding, Ree, I've got paperwork on a case ending in 34, which is a criminal trespass. Does that mean 19's mean TIC? 09's mean TIC? Mr. Adams?
Yeah, that's what it amounts to. Yeah. They said a JSAT for both cases, so yeah, that'd be a TIC. Yeah.
No, that's different.
Oh, okay.
So, Mr. Sims, would you be willing to TIC the other one?
I will. I believe
Okay.
the ADAs in that court attended for a JSAT on both, but we can go ahead and TIC the one that doesn't have paperwork on it. That's fine with
Okay.
me.
Thank you. All right, so can we get Mr. Ree in front of the camera, please?
Judge, this is Ree.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you can see him.
Yeah, I can see him, but he's got to be able
Okay.
to see the screen. Okay. So, Mr. Reed, can you raise your right hand?
Sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So, you got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, put your hand down, Mr. Reed. I'm about to share my screen with you. I want you to get close enough to the screen so you can see it, okay?
Yes, sir, I see it.
Okay. Is your name Robert Ree?
Robert Dale Reed, yes, sir.
Are you the same Robert Ree who in this cause number 2025 CC 015034 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir, 6915 at Lamar Street, Gables Liquor Store, sir.
Okay. This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible, anywhere from $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
Now, I'm going, yes, I served, I've been here since the 13th of October, sir.
Sir, I'm just asking you, do you know what you're charged with and what?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. I said I was guilty, but Highway Patrolman, can I play my case, please?
Okay, just listen, sir, please listen to me.
It's
yes or no question. To what I'm saying, okay? I want to know if you
Yes, sir.
understand what you're charged with. Do you understand what you're charged with? And do you understand what
Yes,
the
sir.
possible punishment can be in your case? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed, your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it okay to do this by video? Okay. Now, I'm looking at a document that's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, yes, sir, I did. But can I say something?
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document that's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did is you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir. Am I free to go today? Am I getting released today?
I'm thinking, but I can't tell you right now. Let me finish this plea and we'll talk about that. All right. So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Well, I want you to hear me out, but just guilty, okay? I want to get
Okay.
released, please, sir. I'm
All right.
tired of this crap.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
you plead guilty. Has anybody
Yes, sir.
forced you to enter this plea?
And it's time served, right, sir?
Is that the plea bargain, Mr. Adams? Mr. Sims? Yeah, it's time served. So then, has anybody
Time
forced
served.
you to enter
Thank
this
you.
plea? Now listen to me, please, or I can't do this plea and you're going to stay in jail. So just say yes,
Yes,
or no
sir.
when
Yes,
I
sir.
ask you.
Yes,
okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I'll just send you back.
Okay. Yes,
All right.
sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, they did not.
Anybody promise you anything besides the plea bargain? Besides the plea bargain, anyone promise you anything?
No, they did not. But I know I got death threats of
So then,
battery.
are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain?
Yes, Your Honor, that plea bargain is for time served, a $0 fine, court costs, 21 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the state will take into consideration one cause number, that cause being 2025 CC 015109.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Adams? I didn't hear you, sir.
It's my
Yes.
fault, sir.
Okay, do you agree to this, Mr. Reed?
Yes, sir. Time served.
Mr. Reed? Yes, sir. The court, having heard you plead guilty, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 21 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, the judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 015109. That means that case will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Okay? Good luck to
Yes,
you.
sir. God bless you, sir. I hope it's early because it's about what time? 9:45.
I don't know what time it is, sir.
God bless
Good
you.
luck to you. Take care. Mr. Adams, you have another case?
Yes, Mr. Merrick.
Okay, let's hope Mr. Merrick's a little bit more on the ball.
Charles Merrick.
1 minute. Mr. Merrick.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Merrick, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Merrick. Mr. Merrick, I'm about to share my screen with you. I'd like you to get a little bit closer to the screens so you can see it, okay? So let me pull up your paperwork. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Charles Merrick?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Charles Merrick with this cause number 2025 CC 011424, who is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen that's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, that agreement is for time served, a $0 fine, court costs, 6 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and may it please the court, we will count that as judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Adams?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Merrick?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Merrick, the court having heard you plead guilty on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 6 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, and is this the only case holding you, Mr. Adams, you know?
Yes. Oh, I didn't check on that actually.
Okay. Well, if this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today, okay? Good luck to you, sir. And Mr. Adams, thank you. You can be excused. Appreciate
Thank you.
it.
Thank you.
Okay, so then, am I hearing magic words from anybody?
Turn off YouTube for the weekend, Judge.
I'm turning